IELTS reading skills, skimming, scanning, and reading for detail. During an IELTS reading exam, time can be both your friend and your enemy. In order to do the best you can, you will have to learn to work with time. For the reading portion of the IELTS exam, time is key. One of the biggest problems in the IELTS reading test is time. You have 1 hour to answer 40 questions, which means you will have to be able to get to the information you need quickly. All IELTS reading questions will require you to use strategies and techniques in order to complete the task in the given time. Developing these 3 reading skills will help you manage your time effectively and improve your IELTS reading scores. They are skimming, scanning, and reading for detail. Skimming, getting the gist. Skimming is a fast reading to get the general idea of the text. Different techniques for skimming include A. Running your eyes over the text to get the general meaning, not stopping at words you don't understand, as this will only slow you down. B. Reading the first and last paragraph of the text, and summaries if offered. And C. Looking clearly at the topic sentences, the most important sentence of each paragraph. Scanning. Get only what you need. Scanning is rapidly running your eyes over the text in order to locate specific details. 3 steps to scanning include A. Read the question and search for key words or ideas associated with the question. B. Your eyes then quickly move over the page, flitting around the text, back and forth, up and down. And C. Less reading and more searching. The brain hunts for specific information. Reading for detail. Find your answer. The final step requires a careful and close reading of the passage you have arrived at after your search in order to find the answer. When we read for detail, we read every word in the text and think carefully about the overall meaning of each sentence. Let's practice using the question below. Choose a heading that best matches the upcoming paragraph, and remember to underline your key words. A. Parents are to blame for the state of children today. B. A report with many conclusions and worries about the United Kingdom. C. Growing up, an unhappy generation. And D. There are so many social problems young people face today. Keywords, parents, and blame. Conclusions and worries, unhappy generation, and social problems. Let's skim the first and last sentence from the passage and see if we can find the answer. The key words are children and teenagers, unhappy, and negative effect. So, what's the answer? Choose the heading that best matches the previous paragraph. Growing up, an unhappy generation. Let's practice scanning using the question below. How many European countries are in the first report? Remember to underline your key words. And what are they? How many European countries? Now you know you're looking for a number. Now, let's scan for the info we selected. 19 European countries. And so the answer, how many European countries are in the first report? 19. Some tips to remember. Skimming. Skimming the written text is like jumping from place to place and position to position. Keep in mind, you don't have to read all the words. Some can always be skipped over. Scanning. You can also underline, mark, or write the number of the question in the area of the margin you think the answers might be for easy callback later. Until next time.